The first thing here I want to show you is how to create a watch list if there's stocks or funds that you want to keep an eye on. And you're going to do that by clicking here on investing, and then you're going to click on watch lists here. And this is where you can manage a watch list. And the first thing we have to do here is actually create a name for the watch list. So we're just going to call this Ryan's watch list. And then you click below here to add a symbol. So let's say, for example, you wanted to keep track of AMD stock. You could type that in here and select that, and that adds this to the watch list. You can also put in a theoretical quantity if you wanted to track the price. So this can also be sort of like a trading simulator in a way. And let's say you also wanted to add another symbol here in terms of Apple, for example. So that adds Apple and AMD to our watch list. And if we click on done, this now creates that watch list for us, and we have this option here. Now, if we click on detail, it's going to show us how that price has changed from the time that we actually added it to our watch list. So that can be pretty helpful if you're looking to practice your trading and see how this investment would have performed for you had you actually made that. So paper trading can be super useful, especially for beginners.